I think that should be enough. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop.
どれも不可解で、知れば知るほど全貌が見えなくなると言います。
Oh,
Let's get Chopstick. Yeah. Thank you.
so cute.
And there's more sauce here.
You feel very firm.
Get on Pinterest.
편지
누구야?
Me.
Oh, so cute.
Sure. I did all the tiny ones.
So freaking cute.
Wow, all this detail though. That's crazy. Pearl's duck. Follows you wherever you go.
movie 진짜 너무 잘 됐어.
Oh.
Olive, star.
Oh. Did you have the hiccups or something? What was that? Hope it's good.
But yeah, this is super cool. We have now, it's like another studio space, which is amazing. Thanks to Spotify for having us use their space.
아. 잘 먹겠습니다. Thank you. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Yesterday was bigger.
Oh really? Oh shit. Gonna make some cookies. Wow, so cute. They get really flat after you take them out because they were still kind of poofy.
Good?
Oh, pretty good.
Jeez.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Mmm.
You like it?
Mmm.
Is it pretty good?
Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Chewy goodness. Oh, the flash is on. Mama. Cute. And then I asked Edie if I could 안 돼?
Oh, she's looking right at me. Yeah, you guys smile at me. That's sweet.
Mango.
Oh, I said like that too.
The other teacher?
Yeah, the other.
Oops.
I think that place though.
Matching shoes.
금방 알아보네.
뽀글뽀글하잖아.
아 진짜요? 칭찬인데요.
Curious. Cute. Nice.
And slept until about 10 o'clock. So we might start.
Cozy on there? Mama. You're so small.
Very cheap. It didn't have hardware or something like that, so that's probably why it ended up at Ross.
Hi, I just got home from grocery shopping and I wanted to do a little haul. Took a tote bag with me this time. I went to Fresh Market. So the plan is to make this apple pastry thing I found online because my mom or my parents gave us hella apples that they picked recently, so I have a bunch of those. So for the pastries, I needed these puff pastry. I got 3. I think that should be enough. And then random stuff, I got this garbage disposal cleaner because I've never used one, and I feel like ours gets pretty stinky sometimes, and this smells good. So I'm curious to see if it works well. Then I just got more milk because we ran out, and butter just because we have been using it these days, and I'm sure we'll go through these. And that's it. I'm gonna slice these up and put them into here. I ended up using 2 plates because there's a lot. I cut the holes out with the cap of my, oh my god, of my cinnamon, and I think it's a pretty good size. This is what the setup looks like right now. I'm gonna put in this first batch, but gonna do a egg wash before for each piece, and then put a little more cinnamon and sugar on top. I'm gonna go ahead and put the first batch in. Okay. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Look how cute they look. I have 3 in there and then another batch there. Cute.
Louis had already done it, and I was you guys look so good, by the way. Yeah, so good. And I was like, can't top that. So we'll say
I'm going to drop some off to Hyung and Jihee because they live closest to me.
쉽지 않네.
I mean, it's kind of filled, right? Ah, okay.
And
Looks
then,
good.
And then you should apply the resin.
Oh, more?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Try a sip. Ooh. Not bad. You think it's too strong? This is so cute. I never found like the entrance.
Probably Thursday. Yeah, I'll be here for 5 of the day.
Like all the little stools and details. My American breakfast, JT's Korean breakfast.